Hello folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al, stopping by for a 5-minute video. I got some mail call today. That hurt. Yeah, Uncle Al is not feeling too well, and the last 3 doctors I've seen the last 2 days says I should use my time wisely. So I do. First thing, I got a lovely package from the Vineyard Chicks. You'll be seeing me wearing this shirt a lot because I ripped my other extra large shirt. I keep forgetting I'm kind of super strong because I wrenched the handle off one of my hose cranker things, and it's in a little box. I just kind of yanked the handle off, and like my other t-shirts, got big holes in it. And yeah, it's like last time I ripped off the car door without realizing it. But like I said, folks, Uncle Alan's getting old, and he's got a little bit of time left. But before we continue with the nice package from Dixie Chick, I did get a mail call. It was too big, so I just sliced it open. Get that. I love history, and I love technological advances, especially in weaponry. And this is the Cadillac of all machine guns. Now, I have a weight problem, but Uncle Alan's brain's working so fast. If I ever get money, hopefully I'll get a Thompson legally. Or M3, either way. But either machine guns, I'm old-fashioned, I know how to use it. And I don't have to go to Vegas, spend about $1,000 or more just to practice with it. I haven't checked my numbers yet, so if I did win, please tell me, because I still got to donate $10,000 to somebody. And then finally, heavy box. I got this box right here, and this time nothing got broken. Lovely, because I like vinegars. Because people don't understand how to use vinegar. The most used knife in my whole collection. As some clowns slow. If you ever go see Mamabear prepping, or check out her channel. She did a video call. She got a mail call from old Uncle Al. Nice thing when we do mail calls, and we send packages to other preppers. Uncle Alan isn't a prepper. Uncle Alan is an old survivalist. I survived too much. And I heard, my 3 doctors says, yeah, your body's really damaged. It might not last for another 5 years or more. I fooled them. And we got this wonderful vinegar from their parents' courtyard, the Vineyard Chicks. Yeah. And I did get something nice. Oh, I'm gone so hurt up. And I got a sticker from them. Yay. And I think it's either Trey. I think it's Trey doing the canning bit. Or is it KK? I get the 2 mixed up. I know Bunky because she's smaller than the Emus. I have to say thank you for the Vineyard Chicks for sending the example. You got to talk to your parents on switching over, instead of these kinds of bottle, into the food grade plastic bag with a little nipple that you twist off the cap. They don't shatter. They're easy to transport through the mail, and you get more product in the end. They do it in Japan for soy sauce and their vinegars, so you should tell your parents, Trey and KK, to look into that. And hopefully they divert it to your college fund. But I use vinegars for cooking, especially when I use canned fish like tuna, sardines, any kind of fatty fish, mackerel. I use wine vinegars. Also, certain vegetables I do, they're about the same, but different types of vinegars. So this would be great. Thank you very much, girls. And that's my mail call. Nothing else left. No, that's about it. It's all good. Because I'm gone, it's hard for me sometimes to move around. because my doctor looked at my spine and he says, one of these days you're not going to get, or unless we put in steel rods and shave off this and remove a disc or two. No, I'm already short enough. So then we sit with my new catchphrase, I'll be seeing you. And I hope you have a nice day, folks. It's your old pal, Uncle Al, with a cool electronic fireplace. And I'll catch you later, folks. Yes, I do have a heating pad and a pillow to brace my neck. Uncle Al's really hurt and damaged. So I'll catch you later, folks. Yeah, is it working?